Okay, let's proceed to our last example for the exponential function. Now we're going to find the value of an item. So our v here, we have an equation v is equal to 15,000 e raised to the negative 0.6286t, where our t is 0 from 0 to 10 years. The v here represents the value and the t represents the year. In our previous problem, if you remember, we have e raised to 0.1715t. This means that if we look at the graph, this looks increasing. It means that the number of shares traded is increasing per year. But this one here, we can see that our e has a negative exponent. Our number has a negative exponent. That is e raised to negative 0.6286t. And if you look at the graph, that is going down. It means that through time, the value is decreasing. The value of this specific item or uh, va- valuable is decreasing throughout the years. So we have our function. This is our model. And we're asked to find the rate of change of v with respect to t. It means that we're going to find the rate of change of v with respect to t, and we need to differentiate our v. V again is the value. So we have v is equal to 15,000 e raised to negative 0.6286t. And we just differentiate this one. Our v prime is equal to 15,000 times negative 0.6286 e raised to negative 0.6286t. And our v prime, or the rate of change of the value with respect to or per year, is equal to 9,429 e raised to negative 0.6286t. Now we are asked to find the value of this specific item after 1 year and after 5 years. So let's start first with when t is equal to 1. So we have a v prime, sorry, the v, yeah, v prime, because we're asked to find the rate of change. That is 9,429 e raised to negative 0.6286 times the t, which is equal to 9. And the rate of change of this one at this specific time is 5,000. I forgot the negative sign. We have the negative here. Negative 5,028.844. Negative, it means that the value is decreasing. And when the time is 5 years, actually we can write this as v prime of 5, something like this, because this is v prime of t. It means the value is a function of the time, and then the derivative of that value is also a function of the time. So we have negative 9,429 times e raised to negative 0.6286 times 5. We have negative 406.891. The rate of change of value, this is the rate of change of the value with respect to time.